Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a blueberry cream cheese no-bake pie. I'll start off the recipe by mixing together 1 8-ounce brick of room temperature cream cheese with 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next I'll be folding in a 21-ounce can of blueberry pie filling. And then lastly I'll be gently folding in a half of a cup of Cool Whip topping. This is now ready to be spread into a prepared graham cracker crust. And now lastly I'll be topping it with the remainder of the Cool Whip. This now gets covered and it'll go into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to cut. The pie's been in the refrigerator for several hours and it's pretty well set, so I'm going to go ahead and dive in and try a bite of it. I will say it does smell really good. It smells very familiar. I just can't quite put my finger on what exactly it reminds me of. Well, this is definitely a fun little dessert. It's almost like eating a cloud, like a little blueberry cloud. It's really tasty and really light, surprisingly. The only thing I think it could really use is just a little bit of fresh lemon zest to kind of help lift and brighten those flavors. But overall, I really like this. I love how easy it was, especially here in this hot summer. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.